In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art by using a set of arrayed cubes. This is how the scene looks like, and I have only used a cube and a plane to create the scene. The material was created by Blender's node editor, and I'll show you the details shortly. This is an easy scene to create, but I wanted to show you something. The cube meshes were created from a single array, but how did I remove the ones in the middle? This was the original mesh. Let's create a cube, and add two array modifiers. Let's apply the modifiers. Go to Edit Mode, type A to select all, and P to separate by loose parts. We could manually shift select the separated meshes like this, but what if we had thousands of cubes instead? The best tool to use is Blender's Circle Select tool. Try clicking and dragging the mouse after typing C to use the Circle Select tool. Box Select works, but how come the Circle Select is not working? It's not working because Circle Select needs origins of the meshes, and where are the origins for the separated meshes now? That's how we properly use the Circle Select tool. After that, I separated the meshes into new collections. I'll show you the materials and other render setting details next. Here are the composite nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.